In today's video, we're exploring the best video editor apps for Android that can help you create and enhance amazing videos right from your device. If you're ready to take your video editing skills to the next level, let's dive in. Qopro Quick Video Editor. Qopro Quick Video Editor is an intuitive app designed for creating quick and impressive videos, especially for users who capture footage with GoPro cameras. The app allows users to import videos and photos from their device and easily edit them with a variety of tools. With features like automatic video creation, users can select their favorite moments, and Quick will automatically generate a polished video, complete with transitions, music, and effects to match the footage. Additionally, users can customize their edits with filters, text overlays, and adjustments to speed and aspect ratios. GoPro Quick is perfect for adventurers and content creators looking to share their experiences in a visually appealing format. Video Editor Maker AndroVid. Video Editor Maker AndroVid is a versatile video editing app that caters to a wide range of editing needs. It offers a variety of features such as trimming, merging, and splitting video clips, as well as adding music, text, and effects. The user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced editors. AndroVid also includes options for adjusting video speed, applying filters, and creating slideshows from images, giving users the flexibility to work on various types of projects. This app is ideal for anyone looking for comprehensive editing tools to enhance their videos easily. Frameit Video Editor. Frameit Video Editor is a specialized app focused on allowing users to create videos with unique frames and layouts. Users can add multiple clips or photos to frames, customize the layout, and choose from various designs to create a visually interesting final product. The app offers additional features such as text overlay, music options, and filters to enhance the visual appeal of the videos. Frameit is easy to use and provides a fun way to combine multiple moments into a single creative video. This app is perfect for those who want to showcase their memories in a stylish and unique way. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of GoPro Quick, AndroVid, and Frameit Video Editor helps you find the perfect app to unleash your creativity in video editing. Until next time, happy editing.